Okay, hey guys, I just got my little washer and dryer in the mail today. I wanted to go ahead and make a video for the seller because originally it didn't come. It said it was delivered and I searched everywhere and it was just gone. So I contacted them and they worked with me incredibly well. They were super sweet about it, and they said so long as I filed a claim with FedEx that it was missing, they would go ahead and send me another one, and they did, and it arrived, and I'm super excited to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and set it up, and we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Okay, so I took it out of its box. This is where it's going to be used. It's my teeny tiny bathroom. That's why I went ahead and purchased this, because I live in the smallest travel trailer ever. And this is going to cut down on my laundromat costs a crap ton. So now I'm going to go ahead and hook it up and try it out. Okay, so setting this up is, for me at least, basically just plugging it in. It does have an inlet, but I'm not going to be using that. I'm just going to put my shower head directly into the washer and filling it up however much I want. The drain hose is down, it's plugged in. So basically what you do is you'll wash in this, you'll drain it, you'll put it in the spinner and spin the water out, then you'll put it back in here to rinse it, and then you're going to spin it again, and then I assume you hang dry after that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm filling it up right now. Might take a minute because I don't have the best water pressure, so. Okay, so just to show you guys, I forgot to buy soap and everything, so I'm just gonna do a couple pieces to show. So I only filled it up halfway just so I don't like waste water or anything. All my dirty clothes just happen to be right here. So I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna have to redo it anyway, so it really doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do 3 items. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you would add your soap and everything, close it, and then right now it's on standard. Come on, phone. It's on standard, which is what we want, and then you set your timer. So I'm gonna do it for 3 minutes. That is so cool. Alright, I'm gonna let that go. Okay, so it just ended the 3-minute wash cycle I did. So now I'm going to switch this switch here to drain. And the water is now draining out of the washing part. That's awesome. I'm so excited about this. It's gonna save me so much money. Water's looking rough. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start getting this side open, which is just snaps down. Gosh, get this guy out of here. Okay. I don't think I need to like strain it out. I guess we'll find out. Just throw it over here. Okay. And now you're supposed to put this guy on top to keep it from like flying up, I guess. Okay. All right. So now, I don't really know how long to do this for. We'll see. Oh wow. That's the water coming out of the spin. That's awesome. Very cool. Alright, I'm gonna come back when I'm gonna put this back in and I'm gonna rinse it. And then, I'm gonna put it back in the spin and I'm gonna hang my clothes up, and that's pretty much all you do. It's super easy. I know I've said it numerous times, but this is gonna save me like so much money on laundry. The laundromat, it usually costs me like $5 to do one load of laundry. And my husband goes through clothes like nobody's business, so just having this here is going to be such a huge help. It's not loud at all. I thought it would be a lot louder, to be honest. Yeah. Anyways, wanted to say thank you to the company I bought it from. They really did work with me a lot. It really sucked that it didn't come in the mail the first time. But like I said, they were on top of it. They got back to me immediately and sent me out a new one. So if you live in a tiny trailer like me, this is going to be your best friend. So I highly recommend it.